Ladies and gentlemen, before our eyes is a truly horrifying scene. Lightning is continuously striking down, creating brilliant but terrifying rays of light in the dark sky. Look, a giant bolt of lightning just hit a house, causing a fierce fire. That house was burning fiercely, with bright red flames as if it wanted to swallow everything. Black smoke rose and spread throughout the area, creating a chaotic and dangerous picture. Sparks flew out, as if to express the endless destruction of nature. Not stopping there, the lightning continued to strike. Look, they hit the road where there are a lot of vehicles moving. Bright flashes of light reduce the driver's visibility, making traffic chaotic and extremely dangerous. You can feel the panic. Car horns are blaring non-stop. People are trying to escape the dangerous area. Loud explosions rang out from the lightning striking the road, causing the road surface to shake, creating a feeling of extreme insecurity and fear. This is an extremely dangerous and tense situation, a powerful reminder of the awesome power of nature. Please stay safe, stay away from dangerous areas, and follow the instructions of rescue workers to ensure the safety of yourself and those around you. We will continue to update the situation as soon as new information becomes available. Thank you for your attentive listening. Ladies and gentlemen, today, we are witnessing a terrible tragedy happening on this small island. At 3 p.m., a strong earthquake suddenly struck, leaving everyone on the island unable to react in time. The ground shook underfoot, houses collapsed, and people ran into the streets in panic to find safety. But the nightmare didn't stop there. Just a few minutes later, the sea became angry, and a giant tsunami up to 9 meters high rushed from afar at breakneck speed. The waves were fierce and white, sweeping away everything in their path. We can see from live images, the tsunami rushed towards the shore, destroying everything in its path. Houses that were once homes to countless families were swept away, vehicles were submerged, and trees were uprooted. People on the island, in panic, tried to escape, but many could not make it and were swept away by the fierce current. On this island, now there is only destruction and pain left. Tears and cries echoed everywhere. Many families are broken, many people are missing, and we can feel the pain of those who are desperately searching for their loved ones. But in this tragedy, we also witnessed the resilient spirit of the Japanese people. Rescue teams are making tireless efforts to find and save trapped people. The international community immediately sent condolences and support, showing solidarity and compassion. We pray for those affected by this tragedy and hope that, despite all the losses, the people here will rise up, rebuild their lives from the rubble, and continue to write, create new pages full of hope for the future. Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment we are live from the scene of an unprecedented and terrible natural disaster. The recent tsunami caused devastating consequences, and currently the city is in darkness, with no electricity or light. Huge electric poles that once stood strong, now lie collapsed on the street, like silent witnesses of unimaginable devastation. There was a complete power outage. The whole city was in absolute darkness. Lightning flashed in the storm, making the scene even more terrifying. We can clearly see electric sparks shooting out from the broken cables, like fiery snakes slithering everywhere. Electrical short circuits occurred everywhere, sparking fierce fires. The fire spreading uncontrollably, burning everything it touched. People's screams rang out in the dark night, mixed with the explosion of electrical equipment and the sound of blazing fires. The scene at this time was truly extremely chaotic and scary. Faces full of panic, footsteps running away in the dark night, creating a picture of unprecedented horror. We urge everyone to stay calm and seek safe shelter. Do not approach areas with electrical short circuits and fires. Rescuers are doing their best to control the situation and bring everyone to safety. This is a big challenge, but we will get through it together.